Welcome to the personal property tour for 48E Cash Feus in Strathmiglo. This is a 2-bedroomed, detached executive villa, finished to an extremely high standard. You've got 2 bathrooms, you've got off-street parking, you're in a fabulous location. You literally come down the driveway, there's no through road here as well, so it's a really safe environment as well. It's a beautiful, beautiful property. I'm just going to take you on the tour, but before I do that, I'm just going to show you how you actually access the property. See, you come down this lane here, and the property is just here. So you're at the bottom of the lane almost, so there's nothing coming through here, so this is a real safe environment. It's a beautiful house. You've got your off-street parking here as well. Lovely garden space, great views as well. So you've got these countryside views over the Lomond Hills as well, so it's in a really lovely location, as you can see. I'm looking forward to taking you on the tour. So we're going to head in. So we'll access the property from the side. You will get a quick sneak peek at the garden as we go. It's a great location, and this is the entrance to the property here, so it's finished to a great standard. I love the oak all the way through the property as well. Really nice finish. So immediately you come in, you can see it's lovely and bright and airy, really spacious. It's a great space, and we're going to start upstairs. So we're going to head upstairs again. You can see it's nice and bright. You've got that skylight there as well, letting lots of natural light come in. Spacious upper hallway. Beautiful views across the countryside. Then we're going to head into bedroom number 1. Isn't that a beautiful room? Lovely big spacious room. Plenty of space for storage as well. You've got the double skylights here. You've also got a lovely big window here, so lots of natural light coming in. But you can see it's a great sized room. That's a king size bed. You've got a lounge seating area. If I come down here, you can see just how much space there is. You've got great views from here as well. So you've got the great views over the hills. And then from this window, you've got the views over the garden. It's beautiful. Lovely big space. You also have this great cupboard, so plenty of storage, which is fantastic. Straight ahead is the main bathroom. Lovely size, lovely tiles. Really high-end finish throughout the whole property. That vanity unit, isn't that gorgeous? It's a really spacious shower room actually. Nice big window here. Got stunning views there as well. Now we're going to head downstairs. So again, from this angle you can see just how lovely and bright it is. The great thing about this property as well, you've got 1 level living downstairs, which is fantastic. It's a really spacious hallway, as you can see. And then it goes this way, so it's kind of L-shaped. Straight ahead we've got bedroom number 2. Again, really high-end finish, isn't it beautiful? Gorgeous space, very tranquil feel. Got the triple wardrobe here as well, so plenty of storage. Nice big window letting all the natural light come in. It's a beautiful house. From here, again, you can see you've got this hillside views. It's just stunning. Great space. You've got a great big cupboard here as well, so lots of storage again. So great storage upstairs and downstairs. You're coming into the main hallway, and then just off of here, we're going to head into the downstairs shower room. So it's great that you've got the facilities on both levels. Isn't that gorgeous? So you've got this beautiful big walk-in shower. So it's a double shower. Nicely finished. You've got your WC in the corner here. Lovely and bright with that window. But that shower is huge. You've got your thermostatic control, your rainfall shower head. Again, you've got the vanity unit. So the theme throwing through the house, which is great. Go back out into the hallway. Got a lovely big cupboard here as well, so again plenty of storage. Then we head into the kitchen. So nice sized kitchen. Immediately you can see space for an American style fridge freezer, which is great. Got a great window to that side. It's like, almost like a picture postcard, isn't it? And the kitchen flows through here, so plenty of room for your white goods. Great shelving and storage space. You've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your oven, your hob and your extractor. Lovely big window here as well, overlooking the garden. So as you can see, Nice space, isn't it? It's a lovely size. And then if we head out of the kitchen, go back into the hallway, and then you've got the entranceway as you've seen. We're going to head into the lounge. So it's a lounge diner, really nice sized room. So it's a 4-seater table here, plenty of space. You've got nice display space here too. You've got dual aspect windows, so lots of light coming in. Isn't that nice? That's a big L-shaped sofa and another big sofa, so plenty of room in this property. You've got the triple window here as well, almost bay-like, which is great. Such a nice space. Lots of natural light as you're seeing. Isn't that big? It's a great living space. So much on this one level as well, which is fantastic. Now we're going to head into the garden. So as well as having a great social space and living space internally, you've got this lovely garden, which is great for entertaining. So you've got area for your barbecue here as well. You're walking over here, you've got this beautiful decked seating area. It's lovely for your dining if you've got friends over. So you're just barbecuing and dining, enjoying each other's company. You've got the views over the hills, which are great. You can see just the full extent of the property, isn't it lovely? But the garden also goes further around here. So we've got a lovely shed area here. You've got this beautiful summer house. So again, another really nice patio seating area. You've got this great summer house and seating area here as well. And the bonus with it as well, you've got this timber gate at the side that takes you out to your driveway. So the property actually does go all the way, so you can access it all the wrap around. But isn't that lovely? It's a great space. Such a beautiful garden. Oh, we've got a wee rainbow joining us. Isn't that lovely? Summarise. This is 48E Feus in Strathmiglo. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, executive detached villa. You've got off-street parking, you're down a quiet throughway, nothing coming past you here other than if you live here, so you've got the end of the road. You've got beautiful garden space, it's in move-in condition. You've got stunning countryside views, it's in a great location. You've got Strathmiglo Primary School, you've got the bowling club, you've got the playing fields, you're literally a 5-minute drive, you're at Falkland, so you've got the historical palace and gardens there. But actually commute-wise it's brilliant as well. So you're close to Glenrothes for Thornton Station, you've got Ladybank, you've got Cooper, so access all areas really as far as trains go. You're 10 miles from Perth as well, so again Glasgow and beyond, Edinburgh, Dundee, you've literally got it all here. Not only that, the lifestyle that you have here, so it's a tranquil little village, you've got country surrounding you, so you've got all these cycle routes, walking routes, hill walking, so it really does offer a fantastic lifestyle. This one's on market with ourselves. It offers over £220,000. If it's of interest to you, feel free to message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01334 654 221, and it's Perry at 5 Properties Fee. Feeling quite relaxed actually. Take care, bye bye.